Hi everyone, welcome to the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Hub, I will be showing you how to follow a playlist on Spotify. So open the Spotify application. Once you do that, you need to get logged in. Right after you get logged in into the account, you will be at the home page. Now once you're at the home page, you need to find the playlist you would like to follow on playlist page. So I'm just gonna open a random playlist over here. So here's this one. Once at the playlist page, simply tap on the heart icon over there. And as soon as this pop-up added to your library message appears, that effectively means that you have successfully added this particular playlist, or should I say that you have successfully started following this playlist. You can also do that by tapping on the dotted lines on the side and tap on the like button. It's pretty much the same process. So this is how you can follow a Spotify playlist. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Thank you.